morning mga palangga. Good morning dyan.
Morning.
Dala ko ngayon yung gift ko para sa aking Secret Santa. Oh, can I have a bag please, honeybee?
You need to hide the secret.
Ilalagay natin ito sa bag. Kasi it's raining. I don't want it to get wet.
That's a good idea.
There you go. Right, I'm going, honeybee. Bye, I love you. See you later. Very later.
The camera's over here.
Okay, I'll see you later as well, mga palangga. It's so dark and it's raining outside. So, bye. I am finally home after 14 hours. Nakatulog siguro si Mr. Ba kasi hindi siya naghintay sa pinto. Magdo-doorbell tayo. Normally, the door is open and Mr. is here.
Want some tea?
Have you fallen asleep?
No, I didn't know. See, come in, watch some TV quickly.
Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit late.
Okay, John.
It will fog again. It's so warm in here. Oh, very warm. So I'm a bit late today because my car is frozen, so I need to defrost
If you
it.
come out at 9:30 when you're supposed to, you wouldn't be as late, would you?
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow, mga loves. Bye! Hello! Good morning! So, mag-o-open tayo sa ating pang-18th na item sa ating beauty advent calendar. Naku, malapit na siyang maubos. Pang-18 na tayo. Sana ba yung pang-18 natin? Where are you? Ito yung pang-18 natin. Ano kaya to? Oh! We have yan. A lip scrub. Hindi ko to i-open kasi sayang, 'di ba? Pero yun yung pang-18 natin na item sa ating beauty advent calendar. Natutuwa ako mga palangga kasi dahil sa ating beauty advent calendar para siya yung nagbibigay sa akin ng parang motivation ba na ipagpatuloy ko yung vlogmas ko kasi minsan talaga nahihirapan ako sa vlogmas kasi yun nga dapat mo mag-upload everyday and upload everyday ano talaga kailangan talaga sipagan talaga kasi yun nga kailangan mo ring mag-film, edit. Oh, I forgot the scissors. It doesn't matter. Good morning, sir. I am making Lech Flan today. I'll try.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. I never made a Lech Flan before, so yeah, this could be very exciting. I'm thinking to have it on Christmas Day, you see, so that mother-in-law can try it.
What you got? Don't like that.
Well, if you don't like it, then you don't like it. But before that, I'll just have my breakfast first.
Put ham in.
You put the ham in.
There's plenty of it, yeah?
Yeah, but I need to have a water bath for the Lech Flan.
Tell you.
Oh yeah, it will be. I will have my breakfast first, isn't it?
That's
Because
really
at the moment, I put few hash brown in the
Where's
oven
the toast in the oven?
upstairs.
Well, darling.
Oh dear.
I'll put these in here, right?
The recipe is from Panlasang Pinoy. Wala akong lanyera, so titingnan natin kung ano yung magagamit natin. Yung pinalo ko na recipe is yung oven baked na Lech Flan. Yan, panlasang Pinoy. Pupunta si dyan ng post office. And later on, meron din akong interview sa aking tutor for 15 minutes. I hope magiging successful. Interview lang, parang practice interview lang siya. So, while naghihintay tayo sa ating breakfast na maluto, we will prepare our caramel. 3/4 of granulated white sugar, 12 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk. It doesn't say how big is the condensed milk. The condensed milk that I bought from Tesco. No, is it Tesco?
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say anything. Just 1 can of...
Well, 1 can.
Yeah, but this one is a bit smaller. It's only 397.
They must be like that for a reason, you see. And that could be correct for what you're doing.
Yeah.
1 can.
Okay, whatever. I'll just use this little one.
Right,
But I think Panlasang Pinoy did use this size. 410 grams. I'm not sure, but I am suspecting that he used that size of pan. I can smell my hash brown.
You'll soon, once you cook your ham, cook your hashes, can you just turn it down a little?
Huh?
What's it on? You turn it on.
No, I did not touch anything.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Stop the violence. Right.
No kiss?
I haven't gone
You
yet.
don't really give me a kiss.
She's after tongues this morning, I can tell. Right, okay, darling. I won't be long anyway. This is Lech
Flan.
Flan.
Yeah.
Right, okay. I'll be back. I'm not locking the workshop, okay?
Okay. Pwede kaya to? Let's see. Because my first option talaga, ito sana yung gagamitin ko. Hang on. Ito. Pero I think this is too big. I'm not sure how big is the mixture. Let's see na lang. So, pagpipilian natin tong dalawa. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng caramel. Nai-excite ako. I hope lang talaga magiging successful. Right, we need a 3/4 of white sugar. Yan. And now, kukunin natin yung itlog. Yung egg white ng itlog. Preprituhin ko siya. Yung Lech Flan, it reminds me sa dessert nila dito. Ano ba yung tawag nila? Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen. Pero sobrang similar nila. Yung texture din. Yung top lang ng coating is caramelized din siya. We need to keep an eye on our sugar. So, hina lang yung apoy na nilagay ko sa kanya. Hala, tingnan nyo yung egg white. Ang dami. Lalakasan ko ng kaunti yung apoy natin. Ang sarap. Yung sugar natin mga palangga, tingnan nyo. Nagme-melt na siya. Ayan. We need to keep an eye on this. Happy na ako sa ating caramel. So, ngayon, ang pagtutuunan ko naman ng pansin is yung breakfast ko. Kasi malapit nang maluto yung hash brown. So, ilalagay ko to sa grill. Ito yung breakfast ko. Napakita ko ba? Nakalimutan ko na. Ito. I will have a mackerel. Ilalagay ko siya sa grill. And tapos, preprituhin natin yung egg yolk natin. No, egg white. Ang sarap ng amoy. Yung egg white natin, lalagyan ko siya ng ham. Yung iba, nakikita ko sa vlog nila, pag nag-Lech Flan sila, yung iba, gumagawa sila ng egg roll. Hindi pa ako marunong gumawa ng egg roll, so hindi muna ako gagawa ng egg roll. Kasi kabado na nga ako, baka hindi ito magiging successful. Gagawa ba naman ako ng egg roll na hindi ko din nagawa noon. So, one step at a time muna. Ito na siya. Yung ham natin. At ilalagay ko na din yung ating egg white. Yan. Uy, uy! Uy, hindi ko na kayo isasama dito kasi ayaw ko namang maulit yung insidente na natalsikan kayo ng mantika. Kasi until now talaga, yung camera ko hindi pa siya naapektahan talaga siya. I don't think so. It's right. I think na-damage yung lens niya. This is my breakfast and my lunch. So, mackerel, hash browns, and egg white with ham. It looks so different.
How can you eat so much?
Excuse me?
How can you eat so much? Look at the size of her.
Don't say that, honey. Look at you. You're eating my...
I just borrowed it.
You just borrowed it. It looks so different when you're using only egg white because normally it's yellow, isn't it? Anyway, just gonna eat and watch television, and after I have eaten, we will...
Do you want the milk flavor now?
It's up to you. We will do our Lech Flan. So, si Panlasang Pinoy, gumamit siya ng hand mixer sa video niya. At meron tayong hand mixer. So, gagamitin tayo ng hand mixer para mas madali. Saan ko ba kayo ilalagay? Nakikita niyo ba? Can you see me? Yes, you can see me. So, mag-i-start na tayo. Ilalagay natin yung condensed milk. Ilalagay na din natin yung milk. Now, ito lahat yung mixture natin. I don't think so this will fit in here. So we need to use this.
Why do you usually...
What?
What's this sort of time that you put that in there, it'll be full, darling. Why don't you use that spray?
Do you think so?
Maybe. But you don't have to be very thick, do you? Or does it not matter?
I don't.
Well, you dip it in. Try it in. Dip it
I
out.
don't really know. No, I need to put the caramel here first. Right, we'll put the caramel.
Caramel in there.
Ooh.
Visible.
Smells so good. So good. Smells so good.
Doesn't smell good, does it?
Huh?
Fish.
The fish. Hey, we need to put our vanilla extract. There you go. Right. The moment of truth.
What did you sip it? No, you're alright. Just.
Yay! Oh my god, this will be a big Lech Flan. Right, we need to put this in the oven. I'm just gonna boil the water. At ilalagay natin siya dito. But, we need to cover the Lech Flan first.
So you put in this in water.
Yeah.
So why do you do that? Let's stop it burning.
I don't know.
It will do. Stop it burning on the bottom. Because if you put that in the oven, right, as it is, it will end up burning, wouldn't it?
So ito na siya. Lalagyan natin siya dito. Yan. Right. You have to be very careful. It's in. It says there. It says here, bake the Lech Flan for 50 minutes.
No.
Well, the thing is, in the video, he put in the little dishes, honey. Like, what is that pudding that you don't like it? That on the top there's like a caramelized sugar. What is that? Yeah, it's that size.
I'll probably take longer.
So I think we need to wait for a bit longer for our Lech Flan. I am very excited. Pasensya nyo na. But I am one of those people who likes condensed milk. Masarap. Pero it's very unhealthy. Tama na? Kasi baka magka-sore-throat na naman ako nito. Magsasampay muna tayo. Kasi I have one basket here. Mga uniform ko at mga work clothes ni Mr. Naka-on kasi yung heating. So, ayun. We need to take advantage sa heating. Sorry? No, the meat is not finished yet. Kaso lang, pag sasampay ka ng mga towel, yung towel mo parang cardboard.
I've had my lunch. Would you like coffee, darling?
It's upstairs.
Oh, you're having a laugh.
No. It's upstairs.
Tell her, patch it down. Every time she comes out, look, check, cup.
It's upstairs, sweetheart.
So she expects me, the young guy, to run upstairs.
No, I didn't say anything that you need to run upstairs. Just walk.
You're the old lady, aren't you?
I'm the old lady. I feel old. I really feel old. It's in our bedroom. I'm just wondering, how do you know that the Lech Flan is ready? Is it okay to prick it with a cocktail stick? How do you think, how do you know, honey, that the Lech Flan is ready? Do you?
I think I've made Lech Flan about as many times as you.
You never made a Lech Flan.
Well, I think it'll have a full wobble, won't it?
I don't know. Or is it okay if we prick it with cocktail stick? I don't know.
Well, did you not watch the video?
On the last part of the video, it's only show the Lech Flan.
Oh, so.
So I really don't know.
Look.
I think our timer is up. Let's check. Let's check. Hala, uy, ano kaya ang itsura? Hindi ako sure nito ay. Hala, ang top niya parang sunog. Titingnan ko lang. I'm just so curious. Oh, it's not recommended. It's very hot. I think okay na siguro yan. I don't know. But we'll see. So, papalamigin na lang natin siya. And the moment of truth, mamaya. You need to have a look with this.
Is it ready?
Well, I don't know.
Oh.
Do you think it's cooked?
I don't know, darling.
Come on, we need to check.
Have you not looked?
Well, I look. Put the tip in. It smells good.
It looks ready to me. Look how Lech Flan looks like. Oh yeah, definitely cooked. You need
Tasty.
No. You let it cool. Let it cold. Let's take it out of the water.
Be careful.
Right, slide.
No, it's hot. Put that in there.
Yeah, that's it. Look at that.
Do you think it is a success? Do you think it's a success?
Well, the proof...
Let's see on the bottom.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
The proof will be in the eating later at tea time. I don't want to see any bits pinched out of it. You have to wait till tea time.
No, I want to eat it now.
Well, it needs to cool now, doesn't it? So, you have to let it cool. If you eat it cold, don't you? Like that. Right, so where would you like it? There?
Just leave it in there.
Oh, why don't you make it tidy then?
Oh my, it looks good. It smells so good. Yun na, tapos na yung interview ko sa tutor ko. Yung interview, parang practice interview lang siya, pero kasama pa din siya sa unit na ginagawa ko. And yung interview, graded pa din siya. So, yes, that's it. Done. I'm done. At kanina, pagkatapos sa interview ko, nagkausap kami ni Sis Ann. Matagal na kami hindi nagkausap ni Sis Ann. So, na-miss ko talaga siya. So, Sis Ann, maraming salamat sa time. And so, ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng ating tea. Ewan ko kung ano yung lulutuin natin ngayon. Pero, we'll see na lang. We'll see. Ano ba? Pastis na lang siguro? Pastis na lang para kay Mr. Completely cooled down na yung ating Lech Flan. Nai-excite ako nai-excite talaga ako kasi first time ko itong lutuin, and if ito successful at masarap, lulutuin natin to on Christmas Day para matikman ni Bianan, kasi ngayon parang practice lang to kasi as I have said, I never make this before, so it could be success or failure. But as I can see by looking at this, it looks successful, but I don't know what it is like. It smells good. So, yeah. Naghihintay na lang tayo para matikman natin to. Kasi sabi ni Jan, after tina natin to titikman. This is our pudding. Okay. I'm just looking at the bottom. If yung bottom natin, di ba caramelized to? I'm just looking to see if it is runny. Kasi nakikita ko sa mga YouTuber, pag piniplift nila yung caramelized, nagra-run through siya. So I'm just thinking, magra-run through ba din yung aking caramelized sugar? I think naman magra-run through siya kasi I think parang liquid na ito. I'm not sure. Please. I want to try this. We'll wait for Mr. This is not big enough for our Lech Flan, so we need a dish. That one, a square dish. Oh my goodness! It's coming out.
Come here.
No. Oh my goodness, John.
Just.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, yes. Wow, it's looked like a Lech Flan.
Did you not make it as Lech Flan?
I did make it as Lech Flan. Oh my goodness, hon.
Amazing.
I'm proud.
It's amazing.
That's it. This is the finished product.
Miracles do happen.
Are we using this knife to cut it? How big do you want? Is that it? Like that? Or do you want half?
Is that cracked?
No, it's not cracked.
There you go, actually.
Which one do you want? This one or that one? Hang on. Is it good? Does it taste like Lech Flan?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh yeah.
I'm just making sure.
You're making sure. I'm thinking to make a Lech Flan for the neighborhood for Christmas instead of giving them a Christmas card. Oh my God. I'm so proud of myself. Kain kayo mga palangga. Ang dali lang pala gawin ang Lech Flan. Sobrang dali lang talaga. Good job that I did not use a bigger size of condensed milk because it's sweet enough, isn't it?
In November 20